Hello and welcome back. And in this section, we're going to learn how to create collection views programmatically. So we're not going to use any of the storyboard or interface builder basically to implement or build our layout. And we're going to do all that programmatically, and even gonna launch our collection view controller programmatically using from the app delegate. And in this section, we are also going to talk about how to create your own header view. So basically categorizing your content into header and showing a header of like for each section. So that's what we're going to cover, and it's all going to be programmatic approach. So it's going to give you a little bit more finer grained control on how you can actually configure your collection view. So let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is first I'm going to create a new group without folder, and this group is going to be called Programmatic Collection View. Okay, and we're going to add a file here. And first, let's create a model for the kind of data that we're going to be saving. So let's save this model with the name emoji data. Okay, it's going to be just a source file. Import foundation is fine. We're going to create a struct with name emoji data, and it's going to have three properties: index, of type int, name of type string, and category of type emoji category. Now you must be thinking there's nothing called emoji category. Where's that coming from? So we're gonna create that. It's gonna be an enum, and this enum is going to be of type string, and we're gonna make it case iterable. And case iterable is basically something that's new in 4.2, and it's continued on in 5, where you can actually get all the cases for your enum and basically iterate over them. So instead of collecting going through each and every enum value and looking into it, you can just make it case iterable and call all cases, and it's going to basically give you access to all the elements that are available in enum. We can have three cases: edibles, can have animals, and we're gonna have flags. And we're gonna use this data to basically construct our sections, and these are gonna be our section names. Alright, so this is our model, and in the next video we're gonna create our data source, and then later on video after that we're gonna start working into our collection view, a programmatic approach for the collection view. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.